Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we'll be featuring 7 winter flowers that bloom beautifully. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Hellebore, Helleborus niger. Also known as the Christmas rose, hellebores are one of the first plants to bloom when winter sets in. They often flower in late December or January, right when most gardens look barren. Their blooms resemble small roses, ranging in color from pure white to soft pink, purple, and even speckled varieties. Despite their delicate look, hellebores are extremely hardy and can push through snow and frost without damage. They grow best in partial shade with moist, well-drained soil. They appreciate rich organic matter, so adding compost each year helps keep them vigorous. Once established, hellebores are low maintenance and long-lived. The evergreen leaves may get tattered in winter, so trim them back before new growth appears. If you want an early source of color that thrives in the cold, hellebores are a perfect choice for borders or shaded entryways. Number 2. Crocus, Crocus vernus. Crocuses are among the earliest flowers to appear after winter's chill. Their cup-shaped blooms often emerge through patches of melting snow, signaling that spring is just around the corner. These bulbs produce vibrant shades of purple, yellow, white, and lavender, adding cheerful color to otherwise dull landscapes. Plant them in clusters for a fuller effect, and they'll naturalize over time, coming back year after year. Crocuses thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They do well in lawns, rock gardens, or along walkways where they can soak up the first rays of sunlight. They don't need much care. Plant the bulbs in fall, about 3 inches deep, and they'll take care of the rest. Just make sure the soil doesn't stay soggy during winter. When planted in groups, crocuses create a carpet of color that stands out against snow and frost. Number 3. Holly, Ilex meservae blue princess. Holly is one of the most iconic winter plants, known for its glossy green leaves and bright red berries that appear in the coldest months. The variety blue princess is particularly hardy and keeps its color even when temperatures drop below freezing. Its berries persist throughout winter, attracting birds and adding festive cheer to your garden. For berries to form, plant a male holly nearby, such as blue prince, to pollinate your female plant. Holly prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Once established, it tolerates cold winds and light drought, making it dependable through tough winters. Light pruning in early spring helps maintain a neat shape and promotes healthy new growth. Number 4. Witch hazel, Hemamelis virginiana. Witch hazel is one of the few shrubs that bloom while snow may still be on the ground. Its ribbon-like petals curl and twist in shades of yellow, orange, or red, filling the air with a light, spicy fragrance. Blooming from late fall into early winter, witch hazel adds a burst of color and scent when most plants are dormant. It grows well in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist but well-drained soil. It's adaptable to different soil types and can handle cold, wind, and even urban pollution. Minimal pruning is needed, just shape lightly after flowering. Its bark and fall foliage add extra interest even when it's not blooming. Witch hazel is perfect near paths or entryways where its delicate flowers can be appreciated up close during the colder months. Number 5. Leucojum, Leucojum vernum. Also known as spring snowflake, Leucojum is a charming bulb that produces delicate, nodding, bell-shaped white flowers, often tipped with green. They resemble small snowdrops but bloom a little later, usually in late winter or early spring. Leucojum thrives in moist, well-drained soil and grows best in partial sun or light shade. It's an excellent choice for woodland gardens, near trees, or in naturalized beds where it can multiply over time. Once planted, the bulbs require little care. Water regularly during active growth, but allow the soil to dry slightly once foliage begins to yellow in spring. These plants are reliable bloomers and bring a graceful touch to gardens emerging from the frost. Number 6. Camellia, Camellia japonica. Camellias are stunning evergreen shrubs that bloom during the coldest months, often around the holidays. Their rose-like flowers come in shades of red, pink, and white, adding a splash of elegance to winter gardens. They prefer partial shade and acidic, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Protect them from harsh winter winds and morning sun, which can scorch cold, damaged buds. Camellias benefit from consistent moisture, water deeply during dry spells, but avoid soggy conditions. Applying mulch helps regulate temperature and keep roots insulated. These shrubs are perfect for sheltered spots near entryways or walls, where you can enjoy their fragrance and glossy evergreen foliage throughout winter. Number 7. Scilla, Scilla siberica. Scilla, also known as Siberian squill, is one of the earliest bulbs to bloom, often sending up its bright blue flowers before the snow fully melts. Each bulb produces several delicate star-shaped blooms that form carpets of color in garden beds or under trees. Scilla looks best when planted in clusters or drifts for a naturalized effect. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. Once planted, it spreads easily and returns reliably each year. These tiny plants are cold-hardy and low maintenance, bringing a vivid touch of blue to late winter landscapes. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 7 winter flowers that bloom beautifully. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!